Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo, me be akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Asembi twegu ewo social media na allegations be eba President Akufo-Addo and government officials be allegations be de bo mo say wo mo aforge nkrata bi na nini name no very serious allegations. I just want us to do a proper analysis on this issue and then we know what is going on. But Mr. Ramo, infonina etwetwego ewo screen so no entire ye produce ewa broche. Si juma na ye wa hase no we so na operatari ni bia very simple. Link no ewa description box ni mo. Open so join your WhatsApp platform so a link no so ewa description box ni mo. Number na e da screen ase no so open so tre wadwen na amansan ete wadwen tre ewa asem so ana asem bia e ha bia so na number na e da screen ase no so no ewa ho. Ejuma na ye no open so support yen in any way no so a number no it is registered on mobile money. Obetumi asene yen bibi kakra. Anyway, you subscribe and click the notification bell so we the latest news be about one sa ebeka and also na that screen so no. Yan konsem ni mu na as you are seeing right in front of you, this is a post that was made on January 4th by Eugene Ahin. So who name Eugene Ahina? He is the Director of Communications at the Presidency. Not just say President Akufo-Addo, ye can communications are one on our handle until we a government official. Now, Eugene Ahin the letter be by now. What share caption our day a two letter so I will say President-elect of the United States of America, Joseph R. Biden Jr. writes to President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo writes to President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo for one president-elect to another. Now, as someone what can I say? America for president atro enkrata amananado na enkrata we America for president atro amananado no na kenye kwan say asem, but a lot of people are raising issues. Intia na maka say was say reading enkrata no na metremo asem wan crofo on this enkrata because people are alleging say enkrata way it has actually been forged. But then I'll explain matters and then you know the points well. Say ebia a forgery and answer a forgery. Now let's read the letter. Letter now America for president elect Joe Biden Troy Emma President Akufo-Addo no any December 2020 President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo Accra Ghana. Dear President Akufo-Addo, I say thank you for your kind words and well wishes. I am sorry that we have not yet had the opportunity to connect by phone. It is my great honor to have been elected the next president of the United States, and I understand just how much work lies ahead of us. Vice President-elect Harris and I will take office at a time of great global challenges, from the coronavirus to climate change, that transcend borders and require international cooperation. We look forward to working with you and your government on addressing the common problems facing our countries and our peoples. Thank you again, President Akufo-Addo. I look forward to future dialogue. Not to say, President-elect of America, Atro Enkatama President Akufo-Addo said, "Wo hwe nim na wone President Akufo-Addo aye adwuma." Simple and short. And it was signed Joseph R. Biden Jr. Now, why people are raising concern and say this same letter, let me show you this. This person, your friend of Volkan Bozkır, and now Bozkır, mambo dini ya mofancheme. Now Volkan Bozkır, will be a UN General Assembly. UN General Assembly. He has been newly elected, or also Nanzania to Abamano as UN General Assembly. And also be posted this same letter. Walker say, and also letter Joe Biden atrama no. And let's read this letter on that same date. Now, and also ne President Volkan Bozkır, United Nations General Assembly, New York. Dear President Bozkır, thank you for your kind words and well wishes. I am sorry that we have not yet had the opportunity to connect by phone. It is my great honor to have been elected the next president of the United States, and I understand just how much work lies ahead of us. Vice President-elect Harris and I will take office at a time of great global challenges. So you see, it is the same letter. Another elected person and so why they were posting into no ama NDC phobia and make us a NDC for. I have evidence here. You are seeing in front of you. This is Jifagunu. Jifagunu is someone where NDC communicator. Inti Obetroye. Now Obetroye caption. Now caption now Obetroye. No, he was implying say Eugene Ahin Aforje. He was actually asking a question, but then he was implying because this is the caption he posted. I said, did Eugene Ahin forge the letter of Biden? Someone should alert the U.S. Embassy. Was it OB and alert the U.S. Embassy? No, say Eugene Ahin a forged letter because I've read the letter UN. Your trauma UN. It was the same letter. Eugene Ahin sube posti ye say ya tro ama President Akufo-Addo. Now, okan san same way implies say Eugene Ahin a forged letter. No, a lot of people were commenting on this, and a lot of people were siding with him. Obisi, why are they trying so much to make it presentable? Till date, no correct congratulatory messages. Or the U.S. Embassy have already seen it, but they are sitting back and laughing at MPP. So a lot of people are commenting on this matter, implying that government officials have forged a letter coming from the United States. Now, let me explain matters to you. Personally, if you ask me, I don't think government officials forged the letter, and this is why. You see, melodies. I am sending a broadcast message around. Till I want to send congratulatory messages to a lot of people. Now, Nkrofona maybe sending congratulatory messages na amano. They are over 50. It will not be wise. Say, I'll write 50 different letters. Just listen to what I'm saying. It will not be wise. Melodies amiti hey. Me subscribers, me person me send congratulatory messages. Emma subscribers 50. Say subscribers 50 no ebia womu nina womu wini adie baako. You find say okay. So listen no. I just want to do it I just want to explain it in a very simple way so that you guys will understand. Okay, so you find say I have 50 friends. Womu standing as MP. And I want to send congratulatory messages to them. And this thing, no, obia woye juma office bia na obia woye office work bia enim say ade we ken. And it's more like a template. And so if you want to send congratulatory message, the thing you do is say you change the name and then you change the title of the person you want to send it to. In the event is 400 and Joe Biden person was sending congratulatory messages. Emma 100 presidents when we win elections and our person was sending congratulatory messages. It will not be prudent for Joe Biden to write different letters back 100. He will write the same letter, but he will address it to different people and he will change the name. And so it will come out. Obi can say letter yes, example. Akwa say me be ready YouTube for send me congratulatory letter. Say me do 100,000 subscribers. And this is how you people will understand this. Okay? YouTube for me do 100,000 subscribers no. YouTube send me congratulatory letter. Womo throw letter mami. Say me read the letter now. Ebe ye mo say ye me pe na YouTube atro sa letter na mami. Now so ukofa obi to say Zion Felix. One also will do 100,000 YouTube for SNA this letter nibi. It was the same letter and a YouTube for SNA. Just that Zion Felix dino wamo sesano. Ne address no so wamo sesano. Wo bia wo we ask mu bia YouTube for Amana Award bia no. The same letter na YouTube for Edema Seni Pakrono. I hope you people are understanding. There are over millions of channels in this world. Channel be a YouTube Ebeman Award no every year. YouTube Emma Award to channels are. You find say YouTube ma over millions of channels to a lot of YouTube ma over millions of awards to a lot of channels in this world. Letter na YouTube etro Emma sa channels we ni na no. The same letter, just that they changed the name. Inti akwa ese me de no obi ko hu Zion Felix letter na YouTube asani ama no obi hu me de na oba be ka say Melodies ase wo no wa forge wo letter na won say the person is not being fair to me. YouTube na send a letter ne ma me, but it is the same letter, just that they changed the name. So for me personally, I think say this is something that has not been forged, but it is a template. Into no person congratulatory from the office of the president-elect. If you want to congratulate, then maybe you just change the name and then you change the title and then you send to the person. Personally, that's what I think. But you see, because of politics in this country, if you tell people say, and the president, but you see, whoa, if you ask whoa, in China, can Ghana yendo your home, on the same date, on the same date, in Crawford, a postie, in Crawford 2, a postie letter, okay, Nipa will no need no postie no 2 p.m. and a Eugenia Hindiano or postie no 8 p.m. Intino, okay. But the point I wanted to make is say on the same date, Nan Crawford 2 a postie letter. E ba na say na Ghana for e bi mo pese ye tie ase say ye obroni de ani mo ni akɔforge. Adan na obroni ne yen ka say wono Ghana president yen ye letter no so obroni ne kɔforge ye. That's the point I wanted to make. But one thing is say obroni no postie ne de no early. O postie ne 2 o'clock and a Ghana you postie ye de 8 o'clock. But still it doesn't really in a way, and it doesn't, and yet it doesn't say anything. For me personally, I feel say the office of the presidency is a very big office. I feel they will not do something like they will not forge a letter whilst they know say the international community is watching. What I say? Why? Just because of political what? Dabi? I don't think so. The other no. Into no, Montreal comment box number 4. Me that's it.